Lattes. Nearly half of all the drinks ever ordered at a coffee shop are lattes, so we better know how to nail it. I'm gonna show you how it's done, baby. Honestly, the building blocks of a latte, it's super simple. Espresso and milk. How much milk? I don't know, okay? The world of coffee, it's evolving, it's changing. Some people say, cafe latte, 8 ounce. Cafe latte, 10 ounce. Cafe latte, 12 ounce. I could keep going. I would just say between 8 to 12 ounces is a classic latte. What it all starts with, espresso. Make it fresh, make it nice, make it good. And all we're doing is we're adding steamed, properly aerated milk. I'm talking microfoam. This video is not a class on latte art or steaming, but I'm gonna go ahead and steam up some milk and we're gonna make it happen. Lattes, I'd say, are probably the most popular drink for a few different reasons. One, they're just easy drinking, you know? As far as coffee drinks go on a menu, it has the most amount of like milk to coffee ratio. So it's just gonna be sweet and enjoyable. And speaking of sweet, lattes are kind of the most common for adding a little something to your drink, honey, syrup, or flavor. And it just kind of holds up and balances out with the espresso and milk. As far as steaming the latte, we're going for about 145 degrees. So if you're new to coffee, whether you're at home or a cafe, I'd recommend getting a thermometer so you can check your work. That'll help you kind of dial in. Because if you go a little too hot, you can start to burn your milk, the sugars start to break down. It's just not a good time. And if you under temp it, go a little too cool, and you serve that to a guest, that's no good either. So basically all we're doing is we're adding some aerated milk to espresso. Kind of fire. That is a hot latte. Double shot of espresso and about 8 to 10 ounces of steamed milk. Now, its more popular counterpart in this day and age, the iced latte. A lot of wrong ways to do it. Right way is just pretty plain and simple. Nice to use a cocktail tin, something that can go ahead and absorb some of the heat from the espresso if you're using something fresh. So I'll start by pouring in my espresso. If I'm adding like a syrup or anything to that, really nice to add it with the espresso, get it kind of integrated and mixed in. And after that, you just want to add your milk. Now, depending on the cup you're using, just want to find your sweet spot as far as volume, because if you overfill it in here, probably one of the potential downsides to using a tin is that you need to make sure you're getting the right amount. And then we're just going to pour over some fresh ice. Boom, baby. There you go. If we're talking espresso, we're doing a classic double shot of espresso, which is just a single serving. So we're doing an 18-gram dose, 40-gram yield in about 25, 26 seconds. So it's pretty plain and simple for a latte. Espresso, milk, about 8 to 10 ounces. If you're doing hot, I would just recommend using a thermometer to make sure you're not over steaming or under steaming your milk. If you're doing cold, I just recommend using a cocktail tin so you can roll it over some fresh ice, keep temperature stability a little bit more locked in. And then from there, obviously the latte is customizable for all of eternity. You can throw syrups in it, you can throw cold foams on top of it, but this is just the good foundation to get you on your way.